Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by, and if you're new, welcome. You know that my channel is mostly about cleaning and organizing, and I always love to find new things and new ways to clean. So recently I was in a grocery store and I came across this cloth cleaning kit that includes 3 microfiber cloths, and this is how it looks like. It's from brand O-CEDAR and includes like I said, 3 microfiber cloths. One is the blue one, all-purpose. The other one is green one, that is for glass, and the gray one is for stainless steel. And what caught my attention over here was that it says the only thing that you need to do is add water, so make them wet, and clean with it. And I am very excited to see if this works. If it does, that's going to be a game changer for me, because I'm going to be able to clean everything with just water, and I'm not going to have to use any chemical cleaners. I'm sure most of you heard of Norwex company. They also make cloths that requires only water, and they work great, but they're a little bit pricier. So this package was only $5.99, so if it works, I will be very, very happy. So let's go ahead and check it out. I'll show you how it works on 3 different surfaces, and yeah, let's get started. So here you can see the open package, and like I said, the blue one was for all-purpose cleaning, gray one for stainless steel, and green one for glass or mirrors. And as you can see, it says it's eco-friendly, and also on the back of the package it explains what microfiber is. It says millions of microscopic fibers that grabs and holds dirt, dust and moisture. So I really hope this is gonna work. I'm very excited to try these products. So this is my refrigerator. I did not clean it for probably a week. My kids left fingerprints and it is just very dirty. Usually it doesn't look like this, but I wanted to see how well this cloth will clean. So I just ran it through the water and squeeze the excess water out. Now it's a damp cloth and I'm starting to clean it. When I first started cleaning it, I was very suspicious because it didn't right away take everything off. So I went back and forth, cleaning it more and more, and at the end it seemed like it was working. And this is how my refrigerator looked like after cleaning. I am very impressed, I have to say. Using just water, I think it cleaned very nicely. I don't see any fingerprints anymore, and I think it's very good. I'm going to be using this on a regular basis. And now I'm going to try the glass cloth. This is the mirror in our guest and kids bathroom, and as you can see, it was very dirty. It was smudged. I actually took a towel previously and I just cleaned it with towel and I left it like that. I wanted to see how well this cloth will perform. And I apologize for the lighting. I think my camera was picking up the light and I didn't realize it while I was filming it. So I was going back and forth because I thought that it didn't clean very well, but actually I realized it was just wet. I needed to leave it for maybe a minute or so for the water to dry, and after that, this is what I got. So I am again very impressed. Just using the water, I got a very nice and clean mirror. I don't think you'll be able to see it really well, but I also tried it on my glass window and it cleaned it very nicely, especially the fingerprints that kids left. And now on to the all-purpose cloth. I was pretty sure this one will work very well, and I was right. Countertops are usually dirty from everyday use, and I just went with this cloth. I cleaned it and it was very easy to clean. There was really no streaks that it left. Also, it picked up dust very well. Okay, so I tried all three and my overall opinion is that they're very good. They work really well. I would give it probably 4 out of 5 stars, and that's because I am pretty sure if the appliances or glass or any other surfaces are very dirty, they wouldn't work as well. So these kind of cloths I would use to upkeep, so just to go a couple times a week around the house and clean things. But for using just water, I think they work really well, and I'm going to be using them every single day. So thank you so much for watching. I really hope you will try them out. They were only $5.99, and I think for that price they are worth. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. Also share this video, and maybe this video will help someone decide should they try this product or not. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.